Are you searching for the best steam cleaner? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best steam cleaner in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. This is best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time, but high pressure and high temperature handheld household steam cleaner, powerful high temperature steam cleaner, effortlessly removes stains, grease. Key features: white heavy checkmark, 1200 milliliters large water tank, longer working time, no need for frequent refills. White heavy checkmark, 2500 W high power, generates strong steam instantly to tackle tough stains with ease. White heavy checkmark, 3.5 AR stable pressure, consistent and powerful steam for deep cleaning. White heavy checkmark, 100 degrees Celsius high temperature steam kills bacteria, dissolves grease, and sanitizes surfaces. White heavy checkmark, 6 adjustable steam levels, 1 to 6, customize steam intensity for different cleaning tasks. White heavy checkmark, 15-second fast preheating, ready to use in seconds, saving you time. Thanks for watching till the end. This was a short review video where I tried to give you the key highlights of the product in the shortest time possible so your time doesn't go to waste. I always aim to keep things simple, clear, and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about the product or checking the latest price, you'll find all the links in the description below. You can also order directly from there if you want. I really appreciate your time, and if you found this video useful, feel free to like, share, or even subscribe for more short and helpful product reviews. See you in the next one.